or welcome back to Penny's 2 Cents. It's your girl, Penny, and this is my dad.
George.
Dad, where are we today?
Dairy Queen.
Guys, we are at Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen just brought out 3 new blizzards, and we're going to try all 3 for you. Well, Dad's going to try one of them, and I'm going to try the other 2, okay? Because once he gets on one flavor, I'm sure he's going to want to stay on his flavor of ice cream. So, the 3 new blizzards are the new Picnic Peach Cobbler Blizzard. That's the blizzard Dad's going to try for you. It sounded like right up his alley, so that's what he's going to try for you. And the other 2 are the new Peanut Butter Cookie Dough Party Blizzard and the new Ultimate Cookie Blizzard. Guys, like I said, we got all these. This one's leaking. It is so full. I'm going to try to wipe some stuff off the top. I'm almost afraid to pop the lid, guys. So we got smalls in all the 3 flavors. And I had to get a mini. We'll talk about that here in a minute. I had to get a mini of the peach because I had to try it too, guys. Peach is my thing, so I had to try that one too. But anyway, these are smalls. I'm going to try to pop the lid here. It is packed. It is up to the top, Daddy.
Okay.
Okay? And it's kind of melty. So, it is up to the top. So that's the spoon. No, Dave. It's a spoon. You gotta eat it.
Okay.
Babe, you gotta eat it like ice cream. Eat it like ice cream. So like I said, Dad's got the peach. What's that called again? The Picnic Peach Cobbler, guys. Here in Ohio, for a small blizzard, they are charging $4.89 for a small blizzard. Now, let's see, which one am I going to try? I'm going to try the Ultimate Cookie Blizzard, guys. It's supposed to have Oreos, Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and Nutter Butter in it. And I'm trying to find out which one that is. I believe it's this one. I'm trying to help Dad out too, guys. I'm sorry. I know I'm distracted, but I'm trying to... This thing's like leaking around the side. There we go. I think I got most of it. Okay, so this one, like I said, is the... Let me look in here really quick. Yeah, I think this is it. This one is the Ultimate Cookie Blizzard. It has Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and Nutter Butters in this thing. Gotta try it. I love Nutter Butter. I like Oreo too. Okay. Right off the bat, I taste the Nutter Butter. Right off the bat. I see Oreo here. I didn't tell him to put any extra, like, toppings in. This thing is full.
Give me a napkin. I'm missing mouth. I'm not trying to eat too much of this, guys, because I'll have a bellyache. But I want to tell you what I'm tasting, okay? So I taste Nutter Butter right off the bat. I taste a little bit of Oreo cookie. And you've seen me take quite a few bites off here. I couldn't tell if there was any Chips Ahoy in this, okay? I can't tell it. The Nutter Butter's kind of taken most of the flavor because peanut butter is so strong, right? They're pretty good though. But would I get this one again? It's kind of like a toss-up for me. Oh, I'm trying to think of a score to give you for this. I'm going to give this, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. I think it's a solid 8 out of 10. But if you're looking more for an Oreo or a Chips Ahoy cookie flavor, you're not tasting those as much. You're tasting some Oreo, but you're tasting mostly Nutter Butters, okay? That's what you're mostly tasting, that peanut butter flavor. It's pretty good, but I was kind of hoping to, like, you know, where you can taste all the cookies. I feel like it's getting lost in there. Okay. Now, this one had me pretty interested. This one is what is this one? The peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. Okay. So it's supposed to have cookie dough in it. It's supposed to have peanut butter topping and rainbow confetti peanut crunch. Okay. So let's see what this one's all about. Like I said, here in Ohio, this is a small, is $4.89 here in Ohio. Let us know, guys. How much is your Dairy Queen's small blizzards? You can see like the crunchy toppings in this. The sun ain't gonna let you see it, but you can see like the confetti topping. Okay. It's all peanut butter. It's all peanut butter. I just got a bite of cookie dough. And it has that cookie dough texture. But the peanut butter is it's just all peanut butter. I like this little confetti crunchies that are in here, though. It's kind of good. Okay. If you're a peanut butter lover, I think you're going to love this. Okay. I like this one. The ultimate, what is it called? No. The peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. I like this one better than the ultimate cookie blizzard. Okay. I like this one better. But do I like it a lot? A cold hit my tooth. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10, guys. But it's very strong peanut butter. I just had one of those cookie dough pieces in my mouth, and I could finally taste the cookie dough because all the, ice cream had melted it, and I swallowed it. But I like these little crunchies that they're putting on, this confetti crunchy crunch, peanut crunch, or whatever it is. I like the texture of that. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay. I had to get a mini. So did you know that you can get a mini, guys? So this is a small and this is a mini. Okay. So if you're trying to watch your calories and stuff, but you want a little bit of ice cream, you can get a mini. And here in Ohio, the mini blizzards are $3.79. $3.79. Now, I got a mini of Dad's there, the new Picnic Peach Cobbler. I had to get it because I wouldn't normally order these other two. If you said, which one out of the three, if I were to look at them without tasting them, I would say the Peach Cobbler one. I like fruity ice cream. I like Cobbler ice cream. So this is the one I would pick if I was to pick one, just to try. So I had to get a mini to try it. So it's got like little cobbler pieces in it. What do they say it has in it? It's peaches and cobbler pieces. So I see a little square or something here. Cobbler piece. Okay. Now I'm purposely not saying anything about this one because I really want to hear what Dad says about it.
I think it's all.
Yep, you got it. Okay. You just go ahead and tell them what you think of that, Dan.
That was pretty good. Pretty good ice cream. I like the peach flavor. The cobbler. It's cobbler all the way through.
They have like a little cobbler chunks, like I think it's like little cake pieces or something, but
it is peach flavor all the way through. It's a good ice cream. And it's good. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
This is my favorite one, guys. This peach cobbler is my favorite one. Like Dad said, the peach, it tastes like pretty fresh peach. It doesn't taste like a peach flavoring.
No.
It tastes like a fresher peach. Okay. Now I don't know. It's probably got flavoring. I'm just saying, but it doesn't taste like a fake peach. Okay.
It tastes like peach ice cream, peach pie, and ice cream, and mixed together.
I'm pretty darn good, guys.
It's a peach flavor all the way through.
Would you get this one again, Daddy?
Yes, I would.
Yeah, I would too. Okay, I have quit eating here. My receipt's going in my other cup. You gave it a 9 out of 10, Dan?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna
pretty damn good.
Pretty damn good.
I get it all. I get it all the way through.
Pretty damn good. I think it's pretty damn good too. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. I would definitely get this peach cobbler ice cream, but I recommend all three of these, guys. All three of these are very, very good. If you're more into the fruity flavors like me, and obviously me and Dad are, we recommend the new peach or the new picnic peach cobbler blizzard. But if you're into like all the cookies and stuff, that ultimate cookie blizzard's pretty good. It's got Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and Nutter Butters in it. But just be aware that the peanut butter from the Nutter Butters is standing out more than the Oreo and the Chips Ahoy. Like, I couldn't even taste the Chips Ahoy in that. I tasted a little bit of Oreo chunks in it, and I tasted mostly Nutter Butter. Okay. And what was the other one? The other one was the new peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. That's the one with the sprinkles in it. I really like this one too, guys, but it is so peanut butter forward that you gotta really like peanut butter. Now, I do like peanut butter, and I like these little like confetti sprinkles and crunchies in this. This is kind of good, but it's peanut butter, like solid peanut butter tasting. Okay, so.
It's got a good creamy ice cream taste and a good peach taste all the way through.
That peach one, yeah. Yeah, the peach one's my favorite, guys. But all three are really good. But if I say, to be honest, I would say hurry up and get in a car because this is limited time. I don't know. They might have them for part of the summer. I don't know. But if you decide to go to Dairy Queen, I would say if you like fruity stuff, get that. Try that. Definitely try that picnic peach cobbler. Try that. Me and Dad really love that. And then the other two are good too. That's it. That's all we got.
It's a wrap.
We're going to go home and put these in the freezer so I can snack on them tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's it. We're going to let you go. We hope you all have a great lunch, a great dinner, or a great late night snack. But most of all, guys, we hope you have a great day.
A great day and a better tomorrow. And God bless you all.
Yes, guys. God bless. Come back tomorrow. See what we're eating. See what we're reviewing. See if we like it or not. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.